my people, now welcome to this Saturday evening. You know the way we do them every day for Wazobia TV. My name is Selenu and this now I the red. Where we get one bus, we get 4 driver and 4 steering. And the full steering and 4 drivers, we all is here. To my right, I have the comedy ancestral spirit.
Yes, no.
You don't say yes, so let's take it like that.
No, I don't like it, man. I'm fighting against this for now. We have a lot of ancestral comedians.
Following him closely, Chief Asia, the richest Isoko man, Lucky Shy.
Oh my brother, I like way to talk so. I say make I appear like this so our people when they know so we represent. You know, say somebody promised the country say within the first 100 days, 100 whatever, I go do something. But with a hope online they change them. But me promise I not go change them. For I the red, we go make on happy today.
Finally, the life patron of Rita Lori, MC Shakara.
That's not me. Where's Rita Lori?
Okay,
that new bank.
No.
Where they open.
No, be the bank, now this school.
Okay, anyway,
when the opposite National Population Center or Sule.
Okay.
Near Capella House.
Good. Anyway, I start by cantabbing Lucky Shine by saying the president.
No major president. I say somebody promised 100 days to do something.
Me, I can't say president. Did I say call anybody name?
Okay,
we get student union
and
president.
then you can even be president.
We get student union president.
I have never been a president in my life.
We get president of Market Women Association.
Yes.
So that the first 100 days.
president.
That,
from that direction.
Yes. Now you say there will be lights. Light don't do small.
We
say
well.
But not every state.
Okay.
This light, you there for the state the way their political party dey. And we thank God say me I there for the state with the party dey. So if you know how to please move according to the state where the party is.
Yes, where the party chairman lives.
You will get light.
For example, where you worry if you see that.
If you go worry,
see, if they want add which part for film, just go out for worry for every dark. I tell you.
Oh my.
I mean, say everybody for worry, they one candle now they work out.
That be smart. So anyway, therefore, everybody, we are here again. My name is Shakara, and then I'm here with my man. Thank you very much. Moderator.
Okay, my people. They choose for some certain day. Today is what we call the World Examination Day. Yes, today is World Examination Day, according to we here. Today, when they look this station now, today when you see this program, mark today's date. Me, I don't know today's date. Mark the date down. Today, every year, is World Examination Day. Next year, we'll change our But today is World Examination Day. Because for our first Laugh Out Loud segment, where I get here, this video, watch it. I'm not going to talk first. Watch it.
Oh boy, tomorrow exam go tough die. Like I sharp write this thing for my screen for hand. Confirm. Teacher abeg, pass abeg. Yeah. What is wear my uniform now? Oh God, I don't die.
Okay, the first one I don't see, they say, the boy mama, I see right finish, the boy mama just wake up for night. No, this boy screaming from the thing. I see we don't write barrel. I see how the clock go wash.
This love way more than the show to children.
Some love are unnecessary. Some love are unnecessary. Leave dirty clothes. We like it dirty like that.
You know where you don't gather confidence say today, no time. People don't say, teacher, pass, amen.
No, say, you get this song where we sing for Nigeria. Not everybody sing with positive mind. So they say, sweet mother, I don't go forget you. For that thing where you do that day.
For this suffer where you make me suffer.
Hey, sweet mother.
But the thing we pay Okay, from that one, say the boy they prepare for exam, he don't write everything. Make we watch the second video so that we fit talk this matter for this story.
For this laugh.
Let us laugh well before we move to Tori Dowowo. Let's look at the second video. I'm coming.
Tori of Wowo.
Warn you. For those of you who think they are smart, I am smarter. I will catch you, and believe you me, when I descend on you, your life will never remain the same again. So if you have any exhibit, any microchip as you call it, anything that will get you in trouble, I will advise you to get rid of it. Hello? Good morning, sir. Yes, the exam is going on. No, there's no problem. Yes, the file containing the question paper, I've already dropped the copy in your office. Yeah, I'll take care of that. Don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, yeah, no. Don't stop.
AAB. That's 456. CCT. CCT is the from that night. Guys, gosh, calm down. And they now follow. I see the song and wait at the conference. You don't finish it? Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9. F, F, and F. F, F, and F. Congratulations. You just got yourself a free ticket to the school senate meeting and a free exam malpractice form.
You know, as this thing happen, say, I begin see school that time. I really happen, you know.
27.
Oh my God.
See patterns of my practice.
See where people, see where paper they come from.
See where paper they come from.
People like
knows everywhere.
People have a fun. They simply like they see they follow the formula.
You get what happened that time for school. This one they catch the guy. The vletors confirm the paper for the guy. Hey you, what are you doing? Ah, you are in trouble. Just don't bother to write. As the lecturer, the administrator they come quickly. The guy don't think what thing go do. Ah, the guy no say na exhibit. The vletor say okay. Now the guy carry the paper put am for mouth. The man they call the boy they shoot the paper. The man they call the boy shoot the paper so long. The man say I will still take you there. He say what did I do? No evidence. The guy swallow no evidence.
But why you say you didn't get experience for everything, but don't be you do one.
I dey see, you know.
I'm also saying this way talk to now you do one.
Me.
You know say
me I be machinery for school.
I don't see girl wey be say you know say those girls wear those skirts, short skirts. One right expo full and lap.
Yes.
Come raise her skirt up, call the copy. So the guy will sit down here and come say, I will report you. I better allow me to copy. Okay, so you can't copy from here now. This is the original. You can't copy from here. Then I say, I will report to you. If you don't want, open leg my copy. First when they write exam.
He go miss. He's not gonna look here. He go look more down.
That time, you know, say sometimes for exam that time I cough they till they demonstrate now.
For objective.
For A, B.
Now they get the pass jam.
And inside exam, you notice say people they get different.
Wait, this is where Shaggy. What are you to cough for the person?
The attack of the guy they shake that.
You cough Q. When I give you that one, right?
Which option be that?
No book. Where the Q near this.
You don't know to say inside exam hall, you dey get different kind of voice. You go get Barry voice, but when exam malpractice also
Nobody
go
get that tiny voice.
You know that guy? Alpha. Number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh my. You get this guy that say, for example, if I thought I go start the get experience for exam key. Now the way I get that. Oh, but you know they get go for exam all this one are 2 girls. Girls that the live boy say no book way. But so that the later don't notice say this girl all the chingomos. So they can't separate them with me and Joy. So separate them. When they separate them go and nothing they way they feel right. Umi converse go submit empty script, oh boy. So Joy to submit empty script. Knows after exam now, people go to discuss how exam be. So the two of them they discuss. Umi can ask Joy, say, Joy, fun, you write anything? Just somehow the thing hard, I submit empty script. Joy calls you, Umi say, what about you? Umi say, I meet her submit empty script. Almost say, Joy provoke. Why now? I submit empty script, you say, go submit empty script. Now lecturer go to say we copy each other.
Lucky shine number 1.
That's how we grab for that segment. To get anything if you make us laugh, if you make other people laugh, stand and give us up. Wazobia TV at wazobiatv.tv. No, I won't copy something. But I don't copy our web. Just send and give us for Wazobia.
You don't do your own mistake.
He don't do it now.
You won't turn out to Oga at the top now.
Yeah.
Leave the man being in. In fact, make them cut you, make yourself friend.
No. You not ask me question. I will never say you should ask Oga at the top for our email address. It's not possible. Our email address is idred@wazobiatv.tv. That's all. That's all. We go for a break. When we come back, that's all.
That's all.
When I come back, this is I the Red. In case you just join us, now I the Red with this. In case you just come, this now I the Red. If like the first time you see the program, now I the Red. And if you come out, you come back, you see the what I the Red.
If you there around, now I the Red.
Even if you still there, the look.
Now see I the Red.
Reason because now the segment we then be saying that Tori don't war. And Tori war today, so
It's World Examination Day. Today's date for the calendar is World Examination Day.
If I tell her that will see happen. See, I beg those employers, people that they employ people, where they give people job. I beg, not because your company too big, you know, go give people notice ahead of time to invite them.
You call them where you like.
Because you call them where you like. Some people feed on top of their wife. Some people feel they do very important thing. This one, bride on her wedding day. She don't do the wedding ground. We be like say, then she receive text message say, you are invited to write NNPC exam today. Oh boy, they look where the NNPC job. If she cut out go write the exam, more yet is story.
Tori don't wanna be lie. Bride abandon wedding for NNPC job. Take. One bride that is girl where they marry. Don't run come up from wedding reception to go write NNPC job aptitude test. The bride go write the test with a wedding gown. As she no bother to go ask, go change. Some people say e no good, but some people say na the terrible unemployment situation for the country cause am. May dem leave am.
If you were in our shoes, what will you do?
Oh my God, that's a good question.
You go house first, go change before you reach there. They tell you say time don't go.
About
She did the right thing.
She did the right thing.
Yes.
Because looking at the mathematics of that wedding, probability say they never pay all money finish.
No, the mathematics
of the expenditure. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
You know, say, you know now, if you plan wedding, maybe they don't borrow, or some people don't support. Now they need refund. Opportunity to pay back.
Even if you don't borrow anything, you should know that after your wedding, honeymoon is not forever.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Some honey self never even get moon.
Not get
So
some now one person they go the honeymoon, the other they hustle.
If those people, NNPC, if they don't give that girl that job.
Wait, we must ask one question. Lucky child, you do honeymoon.
Wait,
no, na question, but you know.
Okay, no, I'll give him the answer. I do honeymoon.
How many days?
Simple. No need to know the name. Now for evening. Actually, I go buy.
That's wedding night.
I do honeymoon. Chakara, I go market buy honey. Then for evening, moon day. I come call my wife. My wife come outside. You don't have to go honeymoon. I show her the honey. I show her the moon. Is that not honeymoon?
That's correct.
I would have been disappointed. It was say you go because no robo man and so man in their right side is go marry finish. Cut the honey. Carry bag more with Urubo man, we no say walk day to do. See that day, if you want go man, go find something to do. That's why that made me ask you that question. I know say Shaggy no even be planner, so no need to ask.
No. Honeymoon not on my side.
Now only sons.
Everybody need to also.
Only sons.
Period.
But hey, that story Shakara talk. So let's say I hear the G say the girl get the job.
To get the
job?
job?
Yes, she get the job.
Let me say,
she need to get the job.
So that's blessing.
Your marriage shall be a blessing. Your children surround your table.
NNPC go call you for job.
Yes,
NNPC go marriage shall be a blessing. NNPC go call you for work. You go get the work after the wedding. God say the Lord of.
Yes, not be there the story end though. You get another. Yeah, our party day. I got another brand very wrong come for what to go write exam.
I told you today is what examination day. Mark
What
it down.
examination day? Look hear the story. I will hear the story.
Another story, Wawa. This one, bride write exam on wedding day. Today, now bright things. Oluwatumise Adejube, HND 1 accountancy student of Rufus Giwa Polytechnic, Owo, Ondo State. Write exam on a wedding day with a wedding gown, Oletete. Few hours after she say, yes, I do, to her bobo, Oluwatumise rush go school, go write her HND examination. All our Shoibi ladies and bridal trade, them do convoy follow her. Everybody for the school be saying a joke. Not until they see a serious thing. In fact, her presence cooled the exam tension with the student body. After the exam, then she rushed come on straight back to wedding reception, where her husband and everybody they wait for her. Honestly spoken. Yeah. It's a good story.
But seriously now, no be let's say some people just dey do some things based on say how significant it is on my wedding day. Because you for a school exam you must know say exam this is so day.
Yes.
Because I don't believe say maybe now all those exams they don't postpone.
Yeah, now you are talking. Yes, they change date.
Because normally
and she don't fix already.
They fix exam on Saturday for university.
Yes, unless
and
you
those times they impromptu they say, you know what, you write the paper today. So you can go.
I think we say she don't beg lecturer. Lecturer say if you miss it, that's it.
Or maybe the lecturer just decide to use and take punish that particular girl because
probably
the girl waiting in the ask for the girl no one gree give her. So okay, no, I will do you strong thing.
Elenu, you are speaking from beyond.
If you even be carry over herself when the girl get. So she got to go correct and be say the competent that day.
You know that before they say after wedding, not you wear your wedding gown go anywhere. But with all this thing now, it goes obviously the ladies go give you a wedding gown go market too.
Since the trend now.
It don't the trend now.
Trend.
Before you know the girls like we are waiting my we go work today, but it go funny.
Wait, people see the rent wedding gown at all.
Yes,
they rent
from person.
Now what for you? No, even for all those people they say wedding gown. They rent out.
No, those ones they.
Some people don't realize they buy their own. They rent out.
You don't say before.
My wife rent out her own.
They will come.
Yeah.
Okay, so now they rent her regularly now.
If you want, we'll rent to you.
Which are you doing?
Shakara na dey talk.
Okay. Shakara, you want. And then Shakara they live closer to you, so go quick to get.
No.
How you want take?
If I rent such a Shakara,
Meanwhile, get
this one.
meanwhile, like fat women. Why your wife wedding want to
They go have small Ankara.
Because I get dream to marry a very good.
Let me tell something. Say maybe that lecturer, the reason why he feels that exam for that day be say maybe in the sport that get
Yes.
Now he lead us to this matter. Like say na exam things. I call am what exam be. Now you know say one admission seeker, the girl 18 years. He won't get admission but miss. He can't go meet lecturer for Unilag.
Hey.
Unilag lecturer.
What famous Unilag?
Oh, what famous Unilag? The lecturer
One time Maulag.
but they refuse to accept that name actually. Now this lecturer can't look this girl finish. Now he can't decide to say this girl too fine to be looked upon. Now this lecturer can't rape this girl. Now very sad news. We go treat that lecturer matter here. But the good news be say this girl can go gain scholarship for Adeleke University. They rape her for Unilag. She gets scholarship for another university. More hear the story so that we go now see they go. This another story, whether you are but he pain us and at the same time somehow. Girl, where Unilag lecturer rape, don't get scholarship from Adeleke University. 18 years old admission seeker. They no gree tell us her name. Where go Unilag go seek for admission. Unilag lecturer called rape am. The lecturer name Mr. Akin Baruwa. He said the girl cut off mark no even reach, so they no go fit give her admission. Why you call rape am? The girl cut off mark now 211. She won't study mass comm, but they say no reach. She no get the admission. At the same time, they call be something from her body. But then this school, Adeleke University, Confi PT, can say no for this kind of thing to happen to this girl and her education she dey pursue. We go give her scholarship. So Adeleke University for Ondo State say they fee for the girl. That's why they don't give the girl scholarship for the 4 years of this course, mass communication.
My sister, your prison go bring breakthrough for you. They won't go bring breakthrough for you.
Yes, so,
I will never die, but I will live to declare the word of God. In my generation, they won't.
He goes to release that bomb.
Hold on, I'm not really happy about things. So now because say the raper, now they give her mass fornication. Sorry. Communication. You know, sorry.
Mass communication.
And then, in another hand, you know, say the girl no report this rape matter, immediately the thing happen. Until when admission no true. Now you can't no say they rape you. How we should say that rape?
Now, the truth is, you know, say, now, rape issues, now, it is very sensitive.
Yeah.
It is very sensitive in the sense, okay, now, not be everybody, because of self-pride,
Yes.
go feed, they fit come outside to come talk, say, so thing happen at so time. Apparently, I the one feel, say, maybe the girl look and say, well, make I take him as fate. In as much as it's a pitiful thing, say, I take him as fate. But at the same time,
I get something, Abi.
Say, maybe,
and she
go work out. You understand? And if she, okay, just imagine, say, the thing can't go work out.
Say she get the admission.
She can't do the same school, and she don't go talk. How would that finish?
Yes.
The teacher go frustrate her for the school. She always okay, maybe I'll take her as my fate. Not everybody they feel. If you notice most of these unfortunate incidents, people where they don't go through this thing.
Yes,
Not be many people. Many people know they feel talk.
Yeah.
Because of shame.
Yeah.
Because of family.
Yeah.
No guys know how can this man do this to me? At the end, the reason why I even do him.
You know
because he come out. No,
No.
I can't keep quiet.
My
now
father
that thing now be the driving factor where make her talk.
Yes.
Because to say the thing work. We for no know, and probably this useless teacher or lecturer go not dey do am to other students.
Very
wey never fit talk.
And
Elenu, do you know the good news? You know good news. The guy now gain admission, scholarship to Adeleke University. The lecturer now get admission to Kirikiri prison.
Yeah, so both of them have an admission.
Both of them have admission.
They are studying now.
They are both studying.
And the lecturer go gain more because he get long time to learn.
It's like Kirikiri prison.
Now life imprisonment.
No, you're not going to
but you
at least 20.
Okay, the guy will not graduate.
No school where they go for life in at least 20 years.
I don't say get some school where they go for life imprisonment.
I get cold. Don't they really make me feel well, but mother just give me. But that man, I don't know whether you rape am true, but why you rape? See, I shower house.
You see, what I said is the life version of Italori. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, this is I get it. Today is our World Education Day, World Exam Day. I don't know the date, mark it down. If you have other things to tell us, send it to us on social media at IGET or email us IGET@TV. At this point in time, get out of here.
All the people where they rape, when they pack all of them like this, go pour them for Allen. Help yourself, help yourself. Stop raping.
Select is buffet. Can you go? Okay.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.